you're talking.
And then you look at the camera and you say stupid. They can totally see that you're saying stupid.
The man. Woman.
Whoa, horsey.
What?
How long am I here?
Till I unlock. Peel. Just relax.
Till you unload? You're such a dirty. Because I am totally in the sun.
Is it a glare?
It doesn't. Remember you said that sees, not me.
Uh-huh.
So I can't see. Dance for. That's disgusting. I'm getting bit by ants. Yes, I am. I can feel them biting me.
Oh. Walk over.
No, just hurry up.
Go to this side.
No, just hurry up. Go.
Right. Oh, shit. You pulled up.
Mm-hmm. When I'm gonna look.
Probably a message after the, that's evidence that you're a jealous person.
Whatever, you my phone vibrates. Oh, at my.
The camera.
Shut up.
I can't believe you.
I'm lying? Really? You don't to people to my not even talking to you.
I need a razor. Okay, camera. This one's thicker than the last also. What?
There's a bee. Where is it? It's gonna bite me, I know it.
That's it. Okay, go.
What?